made it to the beach. Now we're on the actual beach. Boom. Another camping spot. Fucking A, dude. Oregon. The coast of. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful sights. Vibes are strange. That's the truth.
So we got some onions, some yellow squash, some beans, corn, and the star ingredient, jackfruit. Starting to shred a little bit here. No. I was gonna struggle more. Anybody can do it, man.
Cannon Beach. About to turn it off, I got that.
It's a last minute late night spot.
It was the end of May. We'd been on the road for almost 2 months now. We were cruising the coast and killing it. Things were actually beginning to open back up too around here. But I was running out of ideas on where to go.
Not to. You now have to wear a face covering over your nose and mouth when you're indoors in most public spaces in Virginia. And for
Once we reached California, we had a decision to make. Quarantine was coming to an end, and at this point it was early June. And while cities all around the country were being overtaken by riots and protests, the stay-at-home order was beginning to loosen up, even back home in New York. It seemed like the world wasn't going to end quite just yet.
Everybody having a good time at the 5th annual?
So we decided to make our way back to Park City. It was time to get the rest of my belongings and head back to New York. How could I miss a summer on Long Island? We were in no rush, though.
God is the devil and the devil did come. I said, devil, do you like drums? Do you like cigarettes, dominoes, rum? He said, only sundown Sundays, Christmas Sundays. And when I need a few friends, now and again, I can never hope to keep and thought to give friends what I thought that they wanted. Never have they needed a good friend as I've been. Don't get me vented, our friends who resent you, cause all you've ever done has been a noose to hang on to. They thought was a necklace, and reckless they fell into hell where you both
In
had
Cassie
nothing to
Brewing
do but scratch. The gravity went like politics, the gravity went like you can leave it all behind. Even the devil needs time alone.
legend has it, the man once rode his bicycle across the desert here. Fuck it. Today, we're gonna go find that spot. We're gonna make camp. Got all fire pits, got the truck, got a little outhouse. We out here, dude, middle of nowhere, Nevada. We're camping, we're living, we're live. What do you think of this old creepy spot?
Free fall, it's called free fall. Yeah, I called to the devil and the devil said, hey, why you been calling this late? It's like 2 a.m. and the bars all closed. They're driving hell, it's a rule I made. Anyway, you say you're too busy saving everybody else. Save yourself, and you don't want no help. Oh well, well that's the story you tell. Like you can let it all go, you can let it all go. Free fall, it's called free fall. You can let it all go. You can let it all go. Ain't shit free but falling down. That shit's easy. Let me show you how it's like. Come on, come on. Where we at right now? Where we at right now? Come on. I don't see nearly enough movement. Come on, what y'all got stuck him? Are you a little crickety? That's come on.
Gus Johnson, he had a great basketball life. Take Mad Harmony all the way to nationals.
So you are in violation of the Porto bronze is a must.
Yeah, dude, how we doing? Fuck yeah, dude. Oh yeah, I got that Portland.
Things never quite got back to normal per se, but that's okay, because the journey never ends.
Yeah. Get there.
Bad boys go to heaven. Good girl go to hell.